Okay, we did some stuff when the camera turned off, but basically we took the torque tube connector apart, the ball thing back there. We unhooked the wishbone. It's got its own ball that connects to the bottom of the bell housing. Zach's got the chain hooked up. We took the clutch pedal out. We left the brake pedal on. I think it'll lay down and clear. And he's got this front bolt all the way off. So this should lift out and clear. And he's undoing the back bolts, which there's two on each side that connect to frame motor mounts. As soon as he gets those out, it should, in theory, come out. The books and people, I've never taken a Model A motor out, but they say it's trapped in there pretty good, but a little bit of wiggling and we may have to spread the frame a little bit. Pry bar.
We're going to settle down.
We got that wooden one out there that you had that motor on. I'm hoping it can sit in there temporary until you make a stand. The whole car's getting rewired and it really wasn't wired properly anyway, so I've just cut a couple of wires that were going to an aftermarket turn signal inside. And yeah, we'll rewire it when the time comes. You can see it was, people have had their way with this little car over time. So.
Those cutters.
Excuse me?
Got the cutters.
Yeah.
Run a little wire.
Oh. So that's there in the middle is an original Model A electrical junction box. It's got the little Ford symbol on there. And we'll reuse that. We should be able to bring all our wiring in and out of the cabin through that. We'll get some close-up pictures for you, but this cross member was originally riveted in, and somebody's taken it out at some point. They put some bolts back in, but not all of them. So we're going to fix that by making sure it's exactly in the right location, and we'll weld it. And then the frame will get boxed. New motor mounts, we'll show you all that for the V8. Part of this cross member has to get cut off. Part of the middle cross member has to get cut off. Shocks changed. There's a whole bunch going on. First, let's see what a little tension does. Pick the car up.
I moved a little.
Did it move?
Just a little. Oh no, the whole thing is going. Never mind. Yeah.
Here it comes. Some more tension.
Yeah. Little more. There. That's good. Ow.
Whoa, it's trapping.
Quarter power.
Let's do one thing before it's Now that's good.
Coming up.
It jiggled. I won't say it's coming up. Okay, that's completely free on the front. I think let's lower it and get us one more link in the back or two. To try to pick it up a little straighter.
Okay, that's two.
Coming up?
Yep. Okay, mine just moved.
There's nowhere to try. Just stand right here and just give it a big shake of that.
Mine went down about a half inch.
It's this side that's sticking.
And I hit it?
I'm gonna have to take this.
Probably not.
What if you took those two bolts out on the side? I think those are just like plates. You know what I mean?
Is it only two? Maybe three. I thought they were rivets, to be honest. But yeah, there's three of them. Look at you.
Oh.
On your pry bar, Jack. No, right here. Because I can tease it up just enough to get that.
Check the other side.
See, that's coming up.
No, this is coming up. This is dropping up. Inch or better. Right there on the follow.
Well, now our chain might be wrong.
Set it
might-
down.
Yeah,
Put it down,
because
easy.
we got no tension on the front.
Come on forward.
Yeah, two or three.
Well. Ready?
Yeah. There we go.
You're out on the side.
Well, we got to come another 3 inches up.
Until we come forward.
We got to come forward and up at the same time.
Yeah.
Out on the firewall.
Are we stuck on the firewall?
No, we're not.
Let's just keep this a nice little. All right, Ward, give us another bump up. We're not touching anything back there. Now we are. Okay, now I'm on the firewall. Oil pan here. All right, roll the car back. Well, if we put it on there, we can't roll it around. I'm thinking we ought to have it on there.
Okay, you want me to take that over and I'll unload it?
Let's just leave this right here for now.
I'll set that right up on here or?
Yeah. If we don't. Yeah, it's got plenty. I'm hopeful that that'll sit in there. All right, Zach, bring us down.
Easy.
I don't know where we. That's as good a place as any.
Yep. And pick it back up.
Let's cheat it this way. Yeah, yeah, pick it back up there. Right there.
Okay.
Now down. Now down. I think that's stable enough. And you should be able to measure all your pickup points to make us a stand, a run stand for it.
Oh, this cart got harder than walk out.
All right. So, engine out on a stand. We will return someday to see if it'll run. Back to the car. Roll it back. We'll pick up some of our mist. Alright, engine out. Model A's are known to be easy to work on, and there we went. Real time, even fooling around, that was about 3 hours. So, next will be Zach and Ward taking stuff apart. Tearing things out. Getting ready to see how the V8 fits. It fits. It's been done thousands of times through history. Still is. It's gotten popular again. The steering box is going to get changed, and the steering column. These come out. The motor mounts. New motor mounts for the V8 are up here. He's got a different front axle that has a little bit of drop in it. It's from a 32 Ford. Under there, that's the front of the torque tube. It's coming off. The whole rear end gets changed out. And then after we get everything situated, then everything gets boxed. That middle cross member gets reinforced. And then it goes from there. Our game plan is to get this stuff figured out, not done, but just figured out and make sure we may have to do a little bit of clearancing here or here. And then we're going to separate the body and put it on a cart. Finish the frame out, all the suspension, brakes, everything. And then the body will be back on the frame, and then Ward can chop it. And there may be a little bit of variance in how that goes, but that's the game plan overall. It's going to get a mild chop, 2 inches. And the biggest upgrade will be hydraulic brakes instead of the regular mechanical brakes. And the V8 motor, of course. Working off memory, but the Model A engine had like 40 horsepower, 44 horsepower, something like that. And the V8 that's going in it is actually a Mercury, 1950 Mercury engine, and they were rated at 110 horsepower. So it'll have at least double. We'll show you that motor another time.